Okay, listen up. Hollywood's obsession with beauty gets real weird, real fast. Forget your sheet masks and cucumbers, because some celebs are going full mad scientist in the name of youth. And trust me, you don't want to try this at home. First up, Gwyneth Paltrow. You think you'd stop at Botox? Not her. She's into Apitherapy, letting bees sting her face on purpose. The idea is that bee venom is nature's Botox, smoothing out wrinkles and giving that glow. Gwyneth claims it's all ancient wisdom, but animal lovers? Yeah, they're not thrilled. Bee stings or not, her skin's still glowing at 52, so maybe there's something to it? Or maybe I'll just stick to moisturizer. Next, let's talk about Demi Moore and her love for leech therapy. Yes, actual leeches, those slimy little bloodsuckers. Demi says they're medically trained and using them is tremendously relaxing. I don't know about you, but having a leech latch onto me sounds more like a horror movie than a spa day. But hey, she swears by it for detoxing and feeling fit, so Hollywood logic, right? Now brace yourself, the infamous penis facial. Sandra Bullock and Cate Blanchett are into it. No, it's not what it sounds like, but it's still wild. The facial uses a serum made from cloned cells originally sourced from Korean baby foreskins. Apparently, it boosts collagen and gives that A-list glow. Sandra even joked about it on Ellen's show, so yes, it's real. And finally, the placenta craze. Kim Kardashian, Chrissy Teigen, and Hilary Duff. These ladies eat their own placentas after giving birth. Kim pops hers in pill form. Hilary blended hers into a smoothie. They claim it fights off postpartum blues and gives mega energy. Honestly, that's dedication. Or maybe just a Hollywood thing. So, would you try any of these? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more shocking stories from Tinseltown. Stay beautiful. Stay weird.